happened? I'll call an ambulance.
Pilsen Region EMS, what's the emergency?
Hello, my name's Lenka Slatkova. There's a lady here, about 40 years old, and she's collapsed. She was cycling.
She's collapsed. Okay, is she responsive if you talk to her or touch her face? We have to begin CPR
Confirming
now. Okay,
request.
I'm sending an ambulance. I can see that you're in the
Launching
field
drone.
by the river Lahota. Kneel down next to the lady, next to her chest. You are going to start chest compressions now, so put the heel of your hand in the center of her chest and put your other hand on top of that
ETA,
hand.
3 minutes.
And with your
Wind
arms
conditions,
straight,
ideal.
push down firmly
Visibility,
with the weight of your body
excellent.
at this speed. The ambulance is on its way and we're sending a drone. I'll tell you when they're getting close, but until then you need to hang on and keep pushing, okay? 1, 2,
3, 4, 1.
100 meters from delivery point.
Doing good. Keep your arms straight. Use your body weight.
I've got a
the
visual.
drone is getting close now. Can you hear it? It's flying in from Pilsen.
Yeah, I can
Great.
see it.
So it's going to lower a box. Okay?
Lowering the
Keep
cargo.
pushing, okay? Don't stop pushing and tell me when the box
It's
is on
that
the
AED
ground.
machine.
I can
Okay?
see the lady.
But keep
She's
pushing
far enough
until
away.
then.
It's
1,
safe.
2, 3, 4.
Cargo is on the ground. You can go and get it now. I'm flying off to the
Go
side.
over to the box and open it, and there's a machine inside labeled AED. Get that and go back to the lady.
I'm back, and
Now
I've got the
open the
box.
AED and turn it on, okay? It's going to tell you what you have to do. There are 2 flat pads with wires. You need to stick them to the lady's chest on her bare skin, just like the pictures.
I'm going to land nearby so I can see how the lady is doing. Positioning the camera so you can see the whole situation.
Now it's going to tell you what to do, okay?
Do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm.
Yes, I'm not touching her, so it's telling me to give
Good,
a
so
shock.
do exactly what it says. There's a flashing button,
Okay.
push it and do not touch the lady, okay?
Shocking her now.
Start CPR.
Okay, that's
now.
great. Now we'll start compressions again, alright? So, 1, 2, 3.
She's moving her arms. She's moving her arms.
Is she
and
fighting
opening
back?
Her eyes.
Okay, now
Yes,
stop
yes.
pushing.
Hello, miss. Yes, she's looking at me. Hello, miss. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? So, she got off her bike, and then she woke up after
After one
shock.
shock, yeah? We're going to get you in the ambulance and take a look at you, okay?